Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today let's make App-Based Suitcase Security System with IoT. Here we use eye proximity sensor as input, TinkerSpace Brain Board, and smartphone as output. It is connected to brain through internet. Connecting wires, power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we use eye proximity sensor as input. It is connected to input 1. Smartphone as output. It is connected to brain board through internet. Now we connected the components. Now let's code it.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose the Tinker board or select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input device. Here I added IR proximity sensor as input 1. Now go to the menu and click on Save. Here the generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only, click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor off, in custom message, in the string message 1, I will type Suitcase Alert. After typing, click on Save Settings. In the IoT output 1, select Custom Message 1, Suitcase Alert, click on Save Settings. Now, in the App-Based Suitcase Security System project, in the input 1 sensor off means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object, and in the input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object. So the object over here is the suitcase's lid. So when an unauthorized person opens the suitcase lid, in that case the IR proximity sensor will not gonna detect the lid. So in that case, we will get a notification or an alert via IoT to our smartphone. In written suitcase alert in our IoT message box. So like this, App-Based Suitcase Security Systems coding works. Now click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now let's implement it into a model. Here we finish model of a project. Here we fix IR proximity sensor inside the suitcase. And the message displays in the smartphone. Let's do the demo. When somebody tries to open the suitcase, the alert message displays in the smartphone.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.